Hello friends, and welcome back to Everyday Cooking with Mum and me. Today we are going to be making stuffed okra, also known as Bharwa Bhindi. Bharwa Bhindi, or okra, is a popular Indian side dish where the okra is stuffed with a spicy, tasty filling. This is a very simple recipe and not much chopping or prepping required. The only thing is that you have to take care while cooking the okra and make sure you cook it on low heat. You can enjoy this stuffed okra with roti, paratha or naan. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started! These are our ingredients. Let's have a look at them. We will need 250 grams of okras, also known as ladyfingers or bhindi, 2 tablespoons of gram flour, also known as Besan, 1 teaspoon of amchur powder, also known as dried mango powder, 1 tablespoon of dried fenugreek leaves, also known as kasturi methi, 1 tablespoon sesame seeds, 2 tablespoons crushed peanuts, 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and my mum's special spice mix. We're going to cut our bhindis, and to do that we're going to chop the top and the bottom off, then make a slit. Make sure you don't go through, as we'll need to stuff our bhindis. Following these steps, we're going to do all the rest of our bhindis. Now we're going to make our stuffing by mixing all our ingredients. Starting with our gram flour, dry fenugreek leaves, dry mango powder, crushed peanuts, sesame seeds, ginger and garlic paste, garam masala, half a teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, and 3 teaspoons of coriander powder. Then we're going to mix everything together. We're going to add 1 teaspoon of sugar. This is optional, but it will really change the taste of our stuffed bhindis. If you like our videos, then please subscribe and hit the notification bell for more amazing videos. Stuffing is ready. We're going to stuff our bhindis, and for that we're going to open it up, then put our stuffing in. Then we're going to pat it down a little bit and press it in so that when we're cooking them, the stuffing doesn't come out. Then we're going to repeat these steps for all of our bhindis. When we have stuffed all of our bhindis, we are going to cook them. But we have saved some of our stuffing to sprinkle whilst we are cooking them. Now we are going to add 3 tablespoons of oil on a heated pan. And we are using this much oil as this is a stuffed sabji. Now that our oil is heated, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds and 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds. Then we're going to let them pop. add our stuffed bhindis. We're going to cover our bhindis and then cook it on a low to medium flame for 3 to 4 minutes. It's been around 4 minutes, and now what we're going to do is just flip our bhindis to make sure that they don't stick to the bottom and get cooked evenly. Now we're going to add in our masala. This is because we like our sabji with extra masala, but if you don't want your sabji to be spicy, then you can skip this step. Then we're going to add a couple of drops of water, cover it and cook it for another 3 to 4 minutes. It's been around 4 minutes, and now we're just going to give it a little mix. Now we're going to give it a good mix and then cook it for 2 minutes without covering. Now our stuffed bhindi is ready. It's time for plating. You can use the same stuffing to stuff other vegetables, for example baby potatoes, aubergines, peppers and many more. We're going to garnish our stuffed bhindi with some freshly chopped coriander leaves. If you like these recipes, then please drop a like, leave a comment, share with friends and family, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more videos. Bye for now. Thanks for watching. Happy cooking!